This event is a celebration of our social service sector and it's an invitation to all to find out more about the social service sector. In 2020, there were about 18,000 professionals. Today, the tribe of social service professionals has grown to more than 20,000 strong. I invite more to come forward. Together, let's build a caring and inclusive society, a home for all.
Social service is a professional career. While we continue to be grounded in the work that we do, I want to give you assurance with the competitive remuneration that we get, you can have a decent life.
You think social service is about giving, but actually you're receiving so much more.
I really hope to hear more inspiring stories, personal stories that will tug at the heartstrings of people.
The zone that I liked was the one where they told you about opportunities in the social sector itself.
I get to actually really speak to those people that are currently working in the company, so they can give me insights about how they feel about working in this sector.
The sector really needs a lot of people from different parts of the society to come in and form this tribe.
Also to include beneficiaries to be part of these festivals so that the beneficiaries can also share the stories of how social service professionals have impacted their lives.
When you feel like making a switch, act on it and act fast.
At the end of the day, it's a means to an end. The end is to make an impact.